Hi guys, today I'm making a easy maze game for beginners. Now I'm just going to delete this. Okay, now I'm going to get a sprite. This sprite, it doesn't have to look like that. Now I am going to get an hide button, hide block and big block so it can match. And I will make this size little, but you don't have to make it little, okay guys? Okay, now guys, I'm just gonna make this. Okay, now let me get a background for the place. There's a mountain over there, so I'm gonna get this place. I will put these colors. You don't have to make it gray, but I'm gonna make it gray. It looks cool. I'm making it this color. Yeah, okay. This block straight. Okay, now let's get a red apple sprite. Okay, now let's get a peach sprite. Okay, now let's get a mushroom. You can have like any type, like how much, like 5, 6, any much. Okay, now let's get a flag, any flag you want. Look like, it doesn't have to look like that. You can have white and black or gray and white, I don't know. Okay, now when received orange, hide. Okay, now for this sprite, say when touched, then this sprite is going to hide. Now for the both of these. Okay, now let's go to this mushroom, get when touched, then send this sprite, maybe it's gonna be blue, and I will set when touched to this one. Okay, so when touched, then send the sprite blue as well, and then go to this sprite, and okay, now let's go to our arrow sprite and let us turn this around. Okay, now let's flip this around. Okay, flip this around, and I will flip this sprite, and I will get that triangle and turn this around. Okay, I will move this a little bit. Okay, now a little bit forwards. Yeah, that's good. Now let's get this sprite, and now let's get this one, and let us get this other one over here, and now I will put that there. You don't have to make it tiny, you can make it big, but I'm making it tiny. Okay, it's better to use it in the computer. Now I'm gonna shrink this, but I'm using it on my phone, but I'm just gonna shrink this. Okay, when touched, go to all of these. Okay, now after we put in all of them, I'm gonna put in all of them with colors, and I will go to this one, the last one, and put this one red, and this one I would put orange, this one I would put yellow, the last one I think I'll let it be green. Now I will go to this mice. Okay, now let's get when received red. Go forwards one step, and okay, now let's see. Oops, wrong one. I will get when received orange. When received orange, let's go downwards. Okay, Okay, now I will get another one of these and I will put this yellow, then go back. Okay, now I will go to this Sprite and make it purple, and yeah. Now let's see, the mushrooms have blue and I just have purple, so I should go to my other Sprite, and I missed something and put that blue and receive blue actually. Now I will go and get my other Sprite. Now I'll go to my this one. Okay, now I would need going to this Sprite and going to this Sprite and putting green when received green, then go upwards. Okay, now let me try this game. Yeah, it should look like this. Eat this, and when you eat this mushroom, you die. Okay, that's the end of my fruit maze. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps a lot. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to not miss another video. Bye guys.